Hello everyone. This video is about making an automated rotation animation. Make your mesh, and press Ctrl+A, and choose rotation. Then, press I on keyboard to insert keyframe, and pick the rotation. Next, go to Graph Editor, and add a generator modifier. And your mesh will automatically spin. Click on the Z-axis, for Z rotation. And add the generator modifier. This will spin your mesh in only Z-axis. And choose Y or X or other axis rotation. Simple. If you get this weird rotation, edit the origins of your mesh, and adjust the mesh location and you are fine. Adjust your speed here. Noise generator is basically a shake animation. This will be useful for machine animation. You can use this for camera shake too. Add a keyframes in location, and add a noise modifier in Graph Editor.